Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Imo app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. In here can you looking for Imo app or just add it here. So here can you add here Imo, then you click on it, so then you come to this is here, then you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, so then you go down, click here on storage, so then you click here on clear cache, and all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on Play Store, and here can you search for Imo app. Is going to show for you like this, then here you will find update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.